I recently moved into my first apartment with my fiancé after years of saving and 6 months of renovation. As an unemployed night owl, my bedtime is often at 5 a.m. However, my downstairs neighbors complained about the noise from the floor vibrating due to a lack of acoustic insulation. They asked me to change my lifestyle to accommodate their sleep schedule, but I refused, stating I'd make an effort to be silent but couldn't change my entire routine. The situation escalated when the neighbor's husband confronted me, calling me a liar and trying to force his way into my home. I went to the police to record the incident, and we managed to cool things down by promising I'd go to bed at 11 p.m., which I don't intend to keep. I understand their plight but won't self-impose a curfew in my own home.